Hi folks, welcome to another stats video. And so in this video, we're going to take a look at finding the standard deviation for what we call grouped or binned data, okay? And so over here, I have a data set, all right? We've got bins of daily low temperatures and frequencies. So for example, if I take a look at this number 53, what that means is that there are 53 days that we have a daily low temperature between 49.5 and 59.5. Okay. Same thing, that 32 means we have 32 days where that daily low temperature is between 59.5 and 69.5. Okay. And so we can read that all the way down the chart. Thank goodness there are no days where we have a daily low temperature of 89.5 to 99.5. Okay. But the task we have here is to find the standard deviation. Okay, now we could do this by hand, but it is a very long and tedious process. So instead, we're going to go to StatCrunch. Okay, now I've already typed in all this data into StatCrunch. Let me go ahead and stop sharing the screen and switch to a new share. Right, great. Okay, now I've got my daily low temperature bins all the way down here, and I just typed in like the dash. So 49.5 dash 59.5, 59.5 dash 69.5, and all the way down, and I typed in my frequency. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to stat, all right, and I'm going to go to summary stats. But unlike the ages of the baseball players where we used columns, we're actually going to go down to grouped or binned data. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click grouped or binned data. And the bins are my daily low temperature, and my counts are in the frequency column. So if I hadn't changed the names, it would just be var1 and var2, which is fine. But I like to kind of know what I'm doing for each problem. Okay. Then down to statistics, I'm going to go to standard deviation. But if I wanted to, I could also look at the mean. Okay. So just like the baseball problem, I can look at mean and standard deviation. And that problem that they were asking us to calculate 2 standard deviations away from the mean. In this question, they're just asking us to find the standard deviation. Let's go ahead and click compute. And it says that our daily low temperature, its standard deviation is 7.69. Okay, so that means from wherever the middle is, the spread is measured sort of in chunks of 7.7. Okay, and if we get more than 2 standard deviations out in some special cases, again, later on this semester, we'll find out that that's going to be a pretty rare occurrence. Okay, all right, this is a short video, but let me know if you have any questions.